Hello guys, welcome back to Electromarine Mania. Today I am going to show you how to clean the PCV valve. PCV valve stands for positive crank ventilation. So we are going to take out this air filter cover from this engine chamber. First of all, we need to remove the disconnect the battery. This is VVTi 2021 Toyota AYGO. Okay, this is a 2021 Toyota AYGO. So 1 liter engine. So we can remove this one from the with the help of a 10 mm box spanner. We can remove this and take out, and then I will show you where is the sensor. It's always PCV, the positive crank ventilation, on the head top only. On the head only it will connect it. So I will show you how to clean it. With the help of a ratchet or a handlebar, we can remove this 2 screw, that means 2 bolts. For the PCV valve, we actually not required to open the battery negative terminal. But why I am going to open? Whenever you work on PCV valve, you need to clean the map sensor also, because if the PCV valve is there, if there is any blockage, so the oil will come like a residue on the map sensor. Map sensor is the location behind this filter. So this is the engine bay. So I am just taking out this 2 bolts, 1 and 2. This is with the help of a ratchet you can remove it. Okay, so I removed already. Okay, just to push it. So you see this is 2-year-old car, so it will beautifully come out without any obstruction, because yesterday I have some work, so it's already removed. So beware how to take out and all. I'll show you. This is the filter chamber. Okay, I will show you how to open the filter chamber. Just unplug like this and you can take out the filter and you can clean it. So we are going to open the positive crank ventilation fan. Okay, PCV valve. So I take out the air filter. Okay, so this is the engine, 3-cylinder engine, and for this VVTi model, this is a solenoid. Okay, one for the exhaust. Okay, exhaust, and here is one solenoid. I'll show you the location. See this solenoid. This solenoid is for the this solenoid. See this solenoid. This solenoid is for the inlet VVTi to lift the valves. Okay, and this is the map sensor or AIT sensor. It is map or AIT sensor. I'll show you very clearly. Yeah, this is the map or AIT sensor. Now I am going to remove the PCV valve. This is the PCV valve. You can see this. You can just push it out. Okay, first of all you need to remove this. See, I'm going to take out like this. Just pull it out. Okay, and while cleaning you need to unclip this one like this. You can remove with your hands. Okay, like this. Okay, I check out. This is the positive crank ventilation. This is very cheaper. Every 100,000 kilometer you need to replace this PCV valve, because this will maintain the positive pressure to the engine. And you see this, you need to clean with a contact cleaner. Okay, so it will help you to improve the mileage. That means gas mileage will increase. And with this you need to clean this map sensor too. So this both, if you clean, very good mileage and very good economy, and there is less vibration. And the next thing you need to clean this, third one is the throttle body. So this 3 is very important in every 10,000 kilometer. It will help you to avoid excessive vibration, excessive gas mileage, losing of excessive gas mileage and oil consumption, etc. If you not clean this, if it is choked, then what happen? If the PCV valve is choked, what happen? The crank pressure will increase and it will destroy the gasket. Sometimes it will destroy the head gasket, sometimes it will destroy the crankshaft gasket, sometimes camshaft gasket, or somewhere here. So the leakage will start. So the positive pressure ventilation is important. Okay, so what it is doing here is, if the pressure is increases, this one will purge, and this one like a suction, it will work like a vacuum. It will suck from here and it will go through this valve, and the vacuum will suck the air and maintain the positive pressure, and this one will give to the inlet manifold. That's the way there's a PCV valve work in this Toyota system. Okay, normally every car it is like that only. It is very important. If this one not clean in your car, in every 10,000 kilometer. Some cars, some petrol cars, there is not clean very well, so it will increase the consumption of the fuel. So now I am going to clean this with a cleaner, CRC. So I am using this WD specialist contact cleaner, and I will clean. Okay, I will clean it. Okay, just I don't want to cut this. See now this PCV valve is cleaned. Now it's very good. Now it's very clean. Okay, now it's working perfect. It's cleaned already. Yes. Okay, now it's okay. See this sound? Tick tick sound. Then now it's okay. So we can insert it back. Now it is very good. Only thing is we need to put it and clip it, and then I will remove the map sensor, and then I will clean it again. Okay. Whenever you working on this map sensor, you just plug it out. With a click sound it will come, and you can take it out. This connector like this. Now I take it off. Now I am using the 10 mm box spanner. Okay, with the help of a ratchet I will remove only one screw. Okay, you see this location. So I take out the screw, and I am just lift it out, and this one also will fill in with this same conductor. Okay, conduct cleaner. Okay. And just clean with the paper. This is WD-40. WD-40, it is everybody said WD-40 is a particular only for to lubricate and penetrant only. And this one is contact cleaner. Many items this belongs to the WD-40 brand. So now this one is cleaned. This is the sensor. Okay, this is the sensor. I am going to fix it back again. Okay, so that's why I told you to disconnect the battery first. Wipe it with a good cloth, and then I am going to fix it back. So only just I need to check whether it is clean or not. Yeah, it's clean. Once it is clean, then only need to insert like a clip. Okay, like this. Just a moment. Just 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you need to insert this 10 mm bolt. See, and you need to tight with your ratchet. Once you tight with your ratchet, just plug it. Just plug it. Okay, this click sound we need to hear. Okay, now everything is finished. Already I clean the what it is called butterfly valve. I remove this 3 bolt. I just clean already, because this is very in beautiful condition, so I don't want to disturb these things. Nice. I already clean everything, so I don't want to worry for another 10,000, 15,000 miles. And one thing, if it is in India, I need to clean this every 4 months like that, because too much dust particles in India. Here very fine air, less air pollution, so that's why our engine bay should be like this, you see. So you need to clean your engine bay every time. Okay, that means not every time, every once in 3 months. So now this is the coils, and this is this should be greased and properly tightened, because this is an earth for this particular what it is called, a particular it's a transformer actually. This is a coil that's called transformer. It's providing high voltage to ignite to the spark plug. Okay, so beware of this. Whenever you work, don't start it and work, okay, because it will give you a good shock. So now I am going to reconnect the battery. Already I connected and tie it with the 13 mm box spanner. I already connected. So I am going to show you how to open the filter. This is the filter. No need to disconnect the filter. Just unplug this and you can check it and you can clean it. This is the way you can take out. Before taking out, you need to disconnect this couple of no, these two clips. Unclip this and you can take it out. So I take out this filter cover, and this is the filter. You can inspect it, and you can just hit it somewhere, and you can take out the dust particle from it, and you can clean this area if you want, because this is already clean. Stable clean, then put it back. So I fix it back, and it's the two boards. You need to connect your work. That's all. Okay, so my work is finished. This is the important sensors you need to clean, because here no have any air related side. There is no any other pressure sensor. This is a MAP AIT sensor only, and the second one is PCV valve. These two should be very clean, and we will check the engine noise and all. This is very beautiful now. Now I am going to crank the engine. Okay, just first of all I want to 3 times on and off. 1, 2, 3. So this is a reset. Take out the key. Again put the key. See, one small crank is enough. There is no vibration. See, there is no vibration in the steering wheel. There is no vibration because this is 3-cylinder vibration. This is 3-cylinder vibration, but this vibration is not affecting to our car body, because the damper will prevent the vibration from the engine to the car body. So now the work is over. Now everything check. Everything, this should be connected properly. Otherwise, if the exhaust VVT which is not function, then the vehicle will not go above 50 km/h. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching Electro Marine Mania. I will make another video regarding Toyota AYGO. Jai Hind. And currently subscribe and the bell button, so you can get some updated notification regarding my videos. Okay, thank you for your support.